Good morning, tutor and classmate. My name is Samir Perez. I am 43 years old and I am a student of the Industrial Engineering program at UNAT Cartagena. I have the opportunity to travel to various places in the country, such as Medellin, Bogotá, Sincelejo, Montería, Barranquilla. But all of them, my favorite trip was the Rosario Island. This place is magical. The beauty of landscape, um, the blue waters, the reef, the climate, the activities were the best. This trip was about 8 years old, and in company of my wife, my older son, and my brother-in-law. We set sail from Cartagena at 8 in the morning and travel by boat for about 40 minutes to the archipelago to hotel called uh, Isla del Sol. Um, Once there, they welcomed us with fruit drinks. A few minutes was submerged and was in the water until almost 10 a.m. when we headed to the oceanarium. Uh, there we saw many species of fish, groupers, horse mackerels, snipers, cat sharks, and of course the dolphin show. When I returned, I started diving again, and if the landscape is already beautiful outside, you cannot imagine uh, how they are on the reef. The range of color was very diverse, and amount of marine life is incredible. I saw a lobster, but I can't catch them. Um, I only got out of water for lunch, did the digestion, and inside again. The day was perfect. Loud sun, cool breeze, um, a calm sea. My family also have a lot of fun kayaking and swimming. We took a short walk around a large reef located off the island. In the evening, we had fresh lobster for dinner, and we went to sleep in the very comfortable cabin. The next day, the weather was not so pleasant and was very cloudy with a lot breeze, but did not stop me from getting in the sea. Although I was not as pleasant as the day before. In afternoon, and due to the high wave, and we have to return Cartagena. Very happy for the experience. Thank you.